This AKEPO 24-channel DMX decoder offers fine-grained control for large RGB and multi-channel LED installations, making it a strong fit for stage and architectural lighting setups. It accepts standard DMX 512 signals and converts them into stable pulse-width modulation output, so color fades and dimming look smooth rather than steppy or flickery. The wide direct current input range from 5 volts to 24 volts and high total output capacity make it versatile enough to drive everything from short accent strips to substantial lighting runs. Multiple decoders can be daisy-chained from a DMX console, allowing you to expand channel count and power handling as a rig grows without changing your control workflow. The built-in digital display and simple 3-button interface make addressing and configuration straightforward, which is especially helpful when you are juggling many fixtures in a rack or truss. It can also act as a standalone synchronous controller for compatible LED strips, giving you basic effect control even when a full DMX desk is not available.